Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video guys, we're going to talk about parallel parking. And this time I'm going to park in between two cars. Also guys, in this video we're going to talk about what's the difference between my car and SUV. So you will see an extra video that you can see that what's the difference between SUV, how much you need to turn, and what's the difference between my car. Just before we getting into this video guys, I just want to say if you would like to join the Patreon and learn more, and after all your comments that you just watching Patreon and my channel, and I'm gonna post this, amazing comments that you're saying that just looking and watching my videos, you are going and you passing the test without even knowing me. So thank you for that guys. I really appreciate that you are leaving these amazing comments and I reply to each of you. So let's get started. I'm going to approach these cars. So here, we're not gonna go too far. So we're gonna park in between these two cars. Sometimes I hear from you guys the comments that why you're not parking and showing us how to do in between two cars, because in one car it's very easy. It's all the steps are similar, but between two cars it's slightly different. So I'm gonna show you now. Let's talk about what's the first step that I need to do. So the signal is there. We are communicating with the other drivers in case they see that you are doing the parallel. So they may go around you, they may wait for you. Make sure the next step that you have to do is to put the reverse, making the car ready. Then, this is the question that I have. Why, Alex, you turning 3/4 and not full turn? So what's the meaning of the 3/4? When I do that, I'm turning 3/4. What's the meaning for that? You see how the steering, if I want to turn extra and I make a one turn, what happened, the more I turn, the closest I'm going to be to the curb. And that way, if I'm not going to reverse, like to turn it back, I will hit the curb. So what I'm going to do now is this. I'm gonna back to the same position, to original. And if you can see in the camera, when I turn slightly the wheel, the lines are turning. So what I have to do now, I'm going to show you what's the meaning of the 3/4. So this is going to be 1, this is going to be half, and that's 3. That's why I do 3/4. If I do a one turn, I need to do an extra step that I don't want to, because otherwise I'm going to be too close to the curb. So 3/4, it's going to be here. The next step, I check and make sure no cars around. So I look at the back, I use my rear view mirror, and then I simply release the brake. I don't turn the wheel, I don't do anything extra, I wait. What I'm waiting for, to bring the car, the mirror of the car, the side mirror, has to be at the corner of the car. So what do I need to do now? After it's happening, I stop, and then I turn back to original position. So I bring back 3/4 to original position, and then one extra turn. Now, after I did that, I check, and I simply letting the car go until the car parks. And when the car is straight, I stop, and then I park the car and I put on parking brake. So the car is in the back, the car is in the front, I park in between two cars. I don't have to go forward, I don't have to do anything extra. The only thing, I just did these steps. So if you're going to follow these steps, you will never have a problem to park in between two cars. Now, if we had a less room, for example, and the car will be a little bit closer, the only thing I need to do is to put on drive, turn all the way to the right, and move forward to adjust the vehicle. So that's how we do it in between two cars. Steps are the same. The only thing you need to turn and follow the steps. Now, I'm going to show you the difference between SUV and my car it's totally different because there I turn one turn, and that video you can see now. And now let's get to the different car and see with the help of one of my students that he just started driving, what he is doing on the SUV. Let's jump on it. Will be done by just one dash cam. Introducing the first ever 4K resolution dual front and the back 70mm T800. This camera will show you everything from inside and the back. This is so far one of the best dash cams that I have, and I want to try to see if you would like me to continue to do videos with this dash cam, because this one is covering everything. So now guys, we're gonna go and start doing the parallel parking beside the SUV. Here is Jack, by the way.
Hi.
Jack is a very beginner. He didn't drive as much. He had some practice, and today guys, as I mentioned before, we're going to do the parallel parking on SUV by using just one dash cam. Okay Jack, so if you're ready, let's go and approach this car. By the way guys, this dash cam using the Sony Starvis 2. This is amazing, clear, and you can see everything from the beginning how we do that. So approach the car, and approximately what we're going to do, get closer, we're gonna position the vehicle 1 meter away from the car. Okay, now what do you need to do next? So if the vehicle is the same size guys, you go mirror to mirror. If that vehicle will be the vehicle that it parked is longer, you go back to back. But so far the cars are the same size. Okay, let's go. So one turn to the right, yeah. And now what do you need to do? You need to look for the blind spots, you need to look back. Okay, so whenever you're ready, continue. And as you can see now guys, you can see from one dash cam, you can see how the driver is looking around and making sure that this is clear. I never had this before, this dash cam, so this is like I'm not trying to review that, I'm just trying to show. Okay, perfect. Stop for a second. So now guys, what he did is we're gonna go back. So he approached the car 1 meter distance, and now he is now at the corner of the vehicle, so mirror to the corner, right? So the first step, how much you turn in the beginning?
One full turn.
One full turn. Now you can go a little bit slightly more. Yeah, slightly more. Perfect. Okay, so what do you need to do now? You're turning all the way to the left, all the way to the left. Yeah, there we go. Now what do you need to do? As you can see guys, he is looking around to make sure that no cars around. Let the car go. So you can see how the vehicle is moving the back and the front. Slower, slow, slow, slow. Yeah, a little bit more, so you're gonna be straight and stop. Perfect. Park the car and put the parking brake. Guys, and this is how it's done. You don't need to turn much. It's very simple. Jack, so what do you think about the parallel parking? Is it difficult?
No, I think it's very easy.
It's very easy. So people, what I see from comments, that it's very, very difficult. So if you're comparing to my car, it's totally different. You don't need to turn as one turn. So if you're driving an SUV, make sure you're turning one turn, and then when the mirror reaching the corner, you're turning twice to the or all the way to the left. Think, Jack?
It's a good dash cam.
Is this dash cam was on your way? Like, is it obstructed you?
Not at all.
You didn't feel any obstruction? Yeah, guys. So this is a 4K from the front, 4K and the back, and it's recording all the time HDR. So that's. And when I gonna post that, you please let me know if that position is good, so you can see the driver, you can see the instructor. So guys, as you can see, the difference is huge between two cars. If you're using SUV, for sure, make sure you're turning one turn. If you're using a similar car than like mine, like Honda Civic, you don't need to turn full turn. The reason is if I turn one full turn, I will be too close to the curb and I need to do extra steps. In the SUV, I have so many questions regarding the SUV, what should I do? Always turn one turn, the same steps, make sure that the mirror is reaching corner of the car, and then you're turning all the way to the left. Here I turn almost like as all the way to the left on my second step. On the first step, I was turning 3/4. Now guys, let me know what you think about the dash cam that I was using. It was only dash cam. Here I have different cameras, so it's a little bit, it's not the same. I would like to hear from you. What do you think about the 70mm T800, the dash cam? This is the dash cam that record 4K. This is the first dash cam that recording 4K from the front and the back. I hope you enjoyed that video and you saw the driver, because this dash cam come with the 3-channel and it's recording with HDR. I think that's amazing, and I'm planning to do another video. That was your request for the lane changes, and you will see the driver, you can see the front. And this dash cam, the 70mm T800, has extra features that I would like you to see. And yeah, that's about that in this video. So thanks for watching, guys. Any questions, please let me know, and I will see you in my next video.